How to customize quick settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to rearrange and edit your quick access buttons. First, swipe down twice from the top of your screen to open the full quick settings panel. From there, you'll notice you can already reposition the volume and brightness sliders, along with sections like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or media output, just by tapping and holding them directly from this panel. After that, for the other quick access buttons, tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode. At this point, tap Edit again if prompted to confirm you want to start customizing the layout. From here, you can now drag and reposition any of the buttons, moving them up to reorder how they appear, or dragging unused ones down to remove them from the main panel. Following this, you can also drag buttons from the bottom section back up if you want to add them into your active quick settings. Once you're happy with the layout, tap Done, or just back out of the screen, and your changes will save automatically. That's how you customize quick settings on Android. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.